Of the market, and it's going to be a little rough. Down 700 on the Dow, nearly 500 down for the Nasdaq. Dale Smothers joining me now. Okay, I'm asking this question of all our market guests. Does this sell-off end if there's a deal between Trump and the Europeans, but does it get worse if the Europeans retaliate and there's no deal at all?
Hey, Stuart, I think you're exactly right. This deal is imperative for the market to correct. There has to be some sort of deal. If there is no deal, I think the sell-off continues into the next few trading days for certain.
Okay, now you have 4 stocks that you really like. Amazon, Apple, Google, and NVIDIA. I think you consider them all basically big tech AI stocks. You like 4 of them. Pick out your favorite. Which is your favorite, the 4 that you mentioned?
If I had to pick out the favorite, I think it would be Google. There's a lot of upside potential for Amazon this coming year. I think Apple has always been a strong player in the AI race here. And now with a partnership with Google, I think it puts Google just a little bit ahead. And then, of course, NVIDIA is going to be NVIDIA for years to come. But when we look at Google, there are some reasons that we like Google in the front runner here. The balance sheet is one with nearly $100 billion worth of cash on their balance sheet. They can do a lot of good things in the AI race here. We've got integration across all platforms, and the diversification of their portfolio, Stuart, is second to none in terms of cloud. They create content with YouTube, of course, search that Google's been known for years. Integrating Gemini into that and that partnership with Apple is going to push them even higher into 2026.
Have you got a target price that Google might reach?
It could get to 400 this year, certainly. At the end of the day, discipline is what's going to matter here, especially with headlines. When fear drives the sell-off of market, it's time to be disciplined. And disciplined long-term investors get paid in these market conditions. So watching things like Google or Apple or Microsoft even, these things that are going to get sold off in this type of fear headline, taking advantage of those dips, buying those dips, and riding them higher, especially on the back of AI, is the play for RDS Well.
I'm not sure I've got the courage to buy into a dip as deep as this one. But look, thanks very much for joining us, Dale. We like your performance, and we'll bring you back. That's a fact. The opening bell, well, the market's open.